Hello dear fans of UG Shops. Today I'm introducing you into a new part of our business, and specifically today we are now dealing into marketing the medical equipment. As we are marketing our medical equipment today, we are specifically bringing in a new partner, and this is Emperor Hill Life Investments Limited. This is a company that deals in selling medical equipment, hospital furniture and laboratory consumables. When we talk about medical equipment, Emperor Hill Life Investments Limited specifically got us medical equipment like the blood banks. These ones are specifically used by medical doctors and nurses in the hospital setting. Specifically, as you hear, blood bank, they are meant to store blood. We talk about things like monitors. These ones are used in measuring blood pressure and maintaining all the necessary vitals in a body setting. We talk about stuff like the ultrasounds. We talk about medical equipment like the CBC machines, chemistry analyzers. We talk about medical equipment like the ultrasound related stuff. And as we talk about the laboratory consumables, in this case for the lab consumables, we are referring to the laboratory reagents, all sorts of reagents that are used in the laboratory. And these reagents may differ depending on the category of machine you use. Medical officers, medical workers, and those people working in the laboratory, you will know how different lab reagents differ depending on the equipment you're using. So we also talk about the testing kits. The testing kits will refer depending on what kind of disease you're trying to diagnose. We have testing kits for malaria testing kits, we have the gonorrhea testing kits, we have the syphilis testing kits, we have the HIV testing kits, we have all sorts of testing kits. In the same way, we got the glass slides, we have the gloves of all categories, the medical gloves, I would say, mention but a few, I can't say everything in stock. Then we talk about the hospital furniture. Just as you have furniture in a normal way, when I talk about furniture, you may think about beds, chairs. So in this same way, we are having the hospital furniture. Specifically, this is the furniture that is specialized to be used in a hospital setting. The hospital furniture that Emperor Hill Life Investments Limited got you this time, they are including beds. These beds will differ depending on the purpose they are meant to serve. For example, we got the delivery beds, and the delivery beds Emperor Hill Life got you as well. They are differing depending on the purpose. For example, we have the delivery beds that are meant for disabled people. We got the delivery beds that are meant to be used by those pregnant mothers that are not disabled. In the same way, we have the normal resting beds that are meant to be used in the hospital. So all those are under a category of hospital furniture. In the same way, we have different chairs that are used in a hospital setting. For example, we got you the doctor's chairs. The doctor's chairs are differing in this case. For example, we have the hospital doctor's chairs, those with the backrest where you can just sit and your back is supported. We also have the doctor's chairs, those chairs that have no backrest. In the same way, we have the waste bins. In this case, if we talk about the waste bins, you know the infection prevention control mechanisms. So the waste bins are meant to ensure good sanitation in our environment. Much as you may not be part of the hospital setting, but I expect schools, big restaurants, stadiums, you can also support us. In this case, you can buy waste bins, because we expect that everywhere in the environment, we must maintain good sanitation. Yeah, so for more information, if you want to follow up everything that we have in stock as Emperor Hill Life Investments, you can follow us on our social media handles, ugshop@gmail.com. You can follow us on www.ugshop.ug.